Hello camping enthusiasts, with handy gadgets on Amazon to make your outdoor adventures easier. We will review and give you a comprehensive look at the best products the camping market has to offer in 2024. Let's go.
A reliable, spacious shelter is crucial for any outdoor adventure. Introducing the Alpha Camp Camping Tent. Cozy escape for two. Crafted from durable polyester and mesh, this 7x7-foot tent boasts a 42-inch center height, offering ample room to relax. Complete package includes an inner tent, rainfly, pegs, ropes, and a carrying bag. Polyester taffeta fabric, eco-friendly PU-coated, shields you from the sun's rays and wet weather, while sealed seams provide extra protection. Setting up is a breeze with the shock-corded fiberglass frame, clip, and ring and pin system. Enjoy excellent ventilation through the mesh roof, walls, and windows, plus easy access with the large D-style door. An overhead pocket and mud mat add convenience. Lightweight, portable, waterproof, and UV protected, the Alpha Camp Tent is perfect for backpacking, camping, or hiking. Interior storage pockets and an electrical port elevate your comfort. Ready to experience the great outdoors in style? Grab your Alpha Camp Tent on Amazon today. For outdoor adventurers, a dependable hiking backpack isn't just an accessory, it's essential. It needs to hold everything you need, stand up to the elements, and keep your gear safe and dry. Introducing the NEVO RHINO hiking backpack, your ultimate companion for exploring nature's wonders. Crafted from top-tier 210D tear-proof and waterproof fabrics, RHINO ensures your belongings stay protected no matter the weather. Multiple compartments including main, middle, front, and side pockets keep everything organized. A Velcro water bag liner and water pipe hole make staying hydrated a breeze. We've reinforced stress points and added bar tacking for exceptional durability, while ventilated mesh padding and a breathable system keep you comfortable on long treks. Reflective signs and elastic fasteners for trekking poles add safety, and the chest buckle doubles as a survival whistle, just in case. Whether you're hiking, camping, fishing, or traveling, the RHINO's versatility and spacious design make it the perfect pack for any adventure. Tired of sacrificing comfort for portability when you're enjoying the great outdoors? The Cascade Mountain Tech iBack lightweight camping chair is the answer. This innovative chair offers the perfect blend of lightweight convenience and luxurious relaxation, making it an essential companion for your next adventure. Imagine sinking into a supportive high-back design with an adjustable headrest, cradling your neck and back after a long day of hiking or exploring. Now imagine that chair weighs under 4 pounds and folds down to a compact size that easily fits in your backpack. That's the magic of the Cascade Mountain Tech chair. Crafted with a durable aluminum frame and breathable ripstop fabric, this chair is built to withstand the elements and provide lasting comfort. The shock cord frame ensures quick and easy setup, but you can spend less time fiddling and more time enjoying the scenery. Whether you're camping, hiking, picnicking, or simply enjoying a day at the beach, the Cascade Mountain Tech high-back lightweight camping chair offers the perfect combination of comfort, convenience, and portability. Say goodbye to uncomfortable seating and hello to a truly relaxing outdoor experience. Experience unparalleled comfort and rest with the Gaialoop 3-inch memory foam camping pad. This innovative pad combines 30D support foam and 40D memory foam, providing ultimate comfort and support. A high-density polyfoam foundation ensures you'll never feel the ground, while the memory foam gently conforms to your body, cradling your back, spine, and hips. Crafted with Oeko-Tex certified, safe, and odorless materials, this sleeping pad is perfect for everyone, including pregnant women, toddlers, and the elderly. It's also a thoughtful and practical gift idea for any occasion. Use it indoors as a guest bed, floor mattress, nap bed, or futon mattress, or take it outdoors as a portable travel mattress, camping bedroll, or temporary bed for car camping and road trips. The waterproof and washable cover adds convenience and longevity, making the Gaialoop memory foam camping pad a versatile and reliable choice any adventure. In the heart of nature, the ability to create a fire is more than just a comfort, often a lifeline. Whether you're sharing stories around a campfire, enjoying a warm meal on a hike, or facing an unexpected survival situation, fire offers warmth, safety, and even a beacon of hope. The SOL Firelight Lighter steps into this critical role, providing a reliable and innovative solution. This fuel-free fire starter makes lighting fires a breeze, no matter your purpose. With a simple push of a button, its dual-arc plasma flame effortlessly ignites anything from a cozy campfire to a tinder bundle. But it's not just a fire starter. Its integrated 100-lumen LED light offers essential illumination for various situations, with high, low, and strobe modes. The included 3-foot tinder cord adds even more value, functioning as a lanyard, rope, or extra tinder in a pinch. Rechargeable via USB, its lithium battery delivers impressive longevity, providing up to 45 uses on a single charge. And its robust, watertight design ensures it performs reliably even in challenging conditions like wind, rain, extreme temperatures, or high altitudes. The SOL Firelight Lighter isn't merely a convenient tool. It's an essential companion for anyone venturing into the outdoors. Whether you're an avid camper, a seasoned hiker, or someone preparing for the unexpected, this versatile fire starter is ready to spark your next adventure. Nemo's Switchback isn't just a sleeping pad, it's your new best friend for restful nights under the stars. Whether you're summiting peaks, trekking trails, or enjoying a weekend getaway, this pad delivers unmatched comfort and packability. Set up and pack down in a flash, then drift off to dreamland on a cloud of plush support. The Switchback's secret? Axiatomic dual-density foam. It molds to your body, striking the perfect balance of softness and support, even at a minimalist 0.9 inches thick. Durable and resilient, it's ready for countless adventures. Innovative metallized thermal film reflects your body heat back to you, keeping you warm even when temperatures drop. Taller nodes create extra space for your sleeping bag's insulation to loft fully, trapping even more warmth around you. Precision engineering means the Switchback packs down smaller than you'd expect. The regular size shrinks to a mere 20 by 5 by 5.5 inches and weighs just 14.5 ounces. Opt for the short model, and you'll shave off even more weight and bulk. When venturing into the wild, whether you're camping, hiking, or facing an unexpected survival situation, having a dependable fire starter can be a lifesaver. The AOFAR Magnesium Fire Starter is designed to provide warmth and safety in any weather condition. This essential tool features a magnesium rod that easily creates sparks when scraped with the included striker. Its reliable flint ensures quick ignition even in wet or windy conditions. Each AOFAR pack comes with 2 magnesium fire starters, each capable of being used thousands of times. The AOFAR fire starter is also built to last. The waterproof fire steel houses a solid magnesium fuel bar, flint, steel scraper, and fire paracord ropes with red waxed flat. This ensures you can start a fire instantly, even in the pouring rain. Compact and effective, this fire starter is ideal for a variety of outdoor activities like camping, hiking, climbing, hunting, and any adventure that takes you into the great outdoors. With its magnesium body, flint, fire paracord ropes, and striker bar, you'll always be prepared to face the unexpected. Kayaking through whitewater? Camping under starry skies? No matter your outdoor pursuit, keeping your gear dry is non-negotiable. That's where the Pelican waterproof dry bag comes in. Built tough from 500D PVC, this bag laughs in the face of rain, splashes, and even the occasional dunk, though full submersion isn't recommended. With a generous 10-liter capacity, the Exodry swallows up your essentials with ease. Toss in your clothes, snacks, camera, whatever you need to keep safe and dry. The removable shoulder strap means hands-free convenience, leaving you to focus on the adventure at hand. The Exodry isn't just about keeping things dry. It's packed with thoughtful touches, a reflective logo for low-light visibility, integrated loops for attaching gear with carabiners, and a compact yet spacious design, 49 centimeters by 30 centimeters. From paddling to peak bagging, the Exodry is your trusty sidekick. Kayaking, hiking, fishing, beach days, this dry bag has you covered. So go ahead, embrace the elements. Your gear will stay safe, dry, and ready for whatever adventure comes next. When faced with dense forests or thick undergrowth that need to be cleared, ESEE Knives Expat Darien Machete is the right tool to get the job done. With a 12.38-inch blade crafted from ultra-durable 1075 steel, the Darien Machete is an efficient tree-cutting machine that can cut through even the toughest woods with ease. Designed with durability in mind, the Machete features a sturdy construction with an ergonomic micarta handle, ensuring comfort during use and minimizing hand fatigue. Weighing in at just 15.5 ounces, the Darien Machete is the perfect combination of power and portability. In addition, the product is equipped with a convenient canvas protective case, making it easy to carry with you in any environment, from Amazon jungle expeditions, clearing trees in the garden. Whatever the circumstances, the Darien Machete is always the top choice thanks to its reliability and outstanding performance. Escape the hustle and bustle and enjoy the open air. Key to a successful camping trip. Introducing the Jet Set for Hub Tent, which offers comfort and convenience for up to 4 people in all outdoor conditions. The tent is imported with a 50+ UV-resistant polyester shell, ensuring waterproofing and sun protection. The innovative Jet Set frame allows for quick tent setup in seconds without assembly. With a center height of over 1.8 meters, you can stand and move around comfortably in the tent. The 2.4 meters by 2.4 meter floor area is enough to accommodate a standard queen-sized air mattress or 4 sleeping bag. The tent includes a removable rainfly for added weather protection and ventilation. The bathtub-style floor keeps out water and insects, while 2 D-shaped doors provide easy access to gear. Equipped with 2 storage bags, a hanging compartment, a carry bag, stakes, and ropes, the Jet Set for Hub Tent ensures a neat and convenient camping experience. Embark fearlessly into the darkness with the OLIGHT Baton 3 Pro Max. Powerful tactical flashlight built to conquer any challenge. Unleashing a brilliant 2500 lumens and boasting a remarkable runtime of up to 60 days, it's your steadfast ally in the night. Experience the innovation of the shake-to-wake battery indicator, eliminating the need to switch on the flashlight for a quick check. Its side switch illuminates, making it effortlessly easy to locate and operate in the dark. The upgraded proximity sensor provides an added layer of safety without sacrificing sensitivity or beam pattern, ensuring a secure and worry-free experience. Navigate with confidence, thanks to an enlarged and recessed side switch, minimizing accidental activation. The included L-shaped stand offers convenient storage and ensures quick access whenever you need it. The OLIGHT Baton 3 Pro Max is more than just a flashlight. It's your trusted companion for every nocturnal adventure.